Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable hardware acceleration on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable hardware acceleration on Windows 10 computer, just right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run, type REGEDIT RHCSA edit. Just now click on OK. RHCSA editor has been opened. Now expand SK current user. Now expand software. Now scroll down and then expand Microsoft. Here you will find an option Avalon Graphics. Just select Avalon Graphics and right click on empty area and click on new, and now click on DR32-bit value. I'm going to create a registry settings. Now you have to change the name. Right click the value and click on rename. Type the registry value name. Disable HW acceleration. Write the registry setting name as it is. Now right click the registry settings and then click on modify. Now set the value 1 and the base will be hexadecimal, and now click on OK. Now close registry editor. Now you need to restart your computer to execute the changes in registry settings. Just click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, hope hardware acceleration is disabled on your Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.